In today's topic, I am going to review one of my student project case study. The project deals with customizing the car with the help of an augmented reality. Let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. So this is one of my student project. So he had done a very comprehensive project and he had prepared the case study and published on Behance as well. So now I am going to walk through this case study from Behance. So this is a project. This is car configurator, and so this is a tool that allows you to build and customize the new car. So it typically allows you to select the make and model of the car as well as choose options such as the color, rim level and other features. Right? Some configurations you can do it through AR as well. Alright, so here he is showcasing about a 360 degree of interior view with the help of an AR and exterior view also in a 360 degree. Alright, and this is a very standard features he had implemented. So any user, they can able to select the colors from here. So he had given some 6 color options so that the user can select the color and the car color will be changed. And also there are a couple of points. So if your mouse hover on those points, what will happen? That points will be expanded and it shows the features of the points. And also you can able to do the 360 degree rotation of this car, and you can able to view through AR as well. So you can buy or you can choose the colors customization, and also you can choose the seats and you can choose the alloy rims. So these all are the customizations are available, and you can able to do the AR as well. So once you are scanning your car through this AR, that application, from AR also you can able to do accessories and other stuff. And he is having about that AR functionality and the features from his mobile application. So this is a mobile app. So this is a prototype. So first thing is he is going to choose the color, and the color has been changed. Then the interior. So interior, he is giving the view in AR option. So if you are clicking that view in AR, then what will happen? That QR code will be there. Then you can able to view the car in an AR format, and you can able to explore the features and the functionality of the car. And also you can able to customize the features of the car. Those specific customization in seats and the rims. So he is giving for a lot of augmented reality functionality. Entire application is not in AR, and part of the application is in AR. So wherever the AR is required, the user can able to activate the AR manually. Then he can able to do the things. Right. So same thing he had done in web as well. So he had done this project in two different kind of devices. One is a large devices for desktops and laptops. The another one for the mobile application. So just now I was walked through the mobile applications. Now I am walked through on desktop application. So this is a desktop or this is a website, and there is a lot of customizations you can do. So the highlights, accessories, and rims and colors, everything you can do that. Alright, so why this case study is very important for a student? So if you are a student, you need to have the diversified projects case studies in your portfolio. So that projects it should be varying on mobile applications, web applications and AR based applications, so that what will happen, you have a very diversified portfolio. So if you have the diversified portfolio, the employer will give the value to yourself, so that they can able to value you, and also they can able to have a thought to recruiting you. So you have to think about the real world scenario, how the user can able to customizing this kind of a car with the help of an AR. All right. So I hope you enjoy this topic, and if you have any queries, we can discuss through in comment sections. And also if you want me to review your project portfolio, please let me know in comments. So I will, if possible, I can review your project as well. Alright, so I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.